right circular cylinder, right circular cone, and today we are going to discuss about cube and cuboid. Cube and cuboid. So it is today's topic. Today's topic is cube and cuboid. As a cube, uh, first let me start with cuboid. First I am writing a cuboid. And I am writing a cube. So cuboid and cube. How to draw cuboid? Cuboid, you can say I am standing inside the room. So this room is also cuboid. Okay, this room is also cuboid, and we can draw it. First you draw one rectangle, then another rectangle, like this you can draw it. Now connect it. So we are going to, this is the cuboid. Done. So this is, you can say, one 3D box like object where the length be L, then breadth be B, and height be H. Length, breadth and height are different. So L and B and H are not same. Maybe breadth, height same, but one of the side it is what, unequal. Okay, but in case of cube, it is what, all the sides are same. So there are total 12 sides, and all the sides are same. All the sides are same. So this is the cube. For example, a Rubik cube. Okay, but the dice. So all of you know what is game Ludo. So we are using one dice. So it is the concept. It is, you can say, one structure of cube. Or Rubik cube. That is also a cube. And this is what, cuboid. So here length, breadth and height are same only. A. Here is also same. Now see, just tell me what is the volume. We know volume is what? Volume is the surface area into height. Okay, so here is also surface area into height. Or in another way, you can say the volume is it is length into breadth into height. So if I write here volume it is what, length into breadth into height, then into B into H. Then here volume is what? Here volume is length A, breadth B also A, and height B also A. So we are getting A cube, which is nothing but side cube, and unit is what? Cubic unit. It is cubic unit. Volume, length into breadth into height, and here is also, it is unit cube. Then the volume. So first we will discuss about this cuboid, then we will move to cube. So it is volume. Next one, see how many faces are there. So if I draw, okay, just let me erase this part. I am erasing this and I am writing here. I am erasing this one. So first cuboid, then we discuss about cube. So see, how many faces are there? So I am drawing one diagram here. See, this is one of the face. Consider one brick. So one side. Acha. Or otherwise you can we can use these also. So this is nothing but also cuboid. This is nothing but also cuboid. So one face, back side another one, top, bottom, two sides, left, right. So this is also an example of, you can say, cuboid. So how many faces are there? One behind this, one, two, then one set, two sets, three sets. The total six faces are there. How many faces are there? The total six faces are there. One, then I'm drawing another one. I'm drawing another one. This is two. Achha, if I consider this side, then it is three. Okay. Then this side, so it is four. So one, then front two, three, four, up and down. So total six faces are there. Done. Achha. Now this is what it is, length L. Okay. So it is length L. Consider it is breadth B and height H. So height, which one is H? So this is height H, means it is also height H. Same height H. Now tell me, what is the area of this surface? What is the area of this surface? What is the area of this surface? It is B into L. Okay, B into L. So this surface and the top surface are same. So now next point is what? It is surface area. So surface area. So surface area we are getting, it is what? Surface area we are getting, it is first B into L. B into L. B into L. So you can see it is, what is the area of this region? It is, area is what? It is length into breadth. So here the area is length into breadth. Here the area of this surface, it is what? Length into breadth. And the same surface is here also, na? Suppose you are sitting inside a room or standing inside a room, the area of the floor and area of the roof are same. So similarly, the area of this, it is this, what we can write it is, what? B into L. So upper surface, it is also B into L. Why? So we can write the surface of area. So 2BL means breadth into length. Achha, if I consider this surface, okay, and this surface, so these two surfaces are same, na? Same also. So you can see what is the area of this surface? It is breadth into height. So we can write it is, area is what here, B into H, breadth into height. So this surface and that surface are same. So we can write it is plus 2 into BH. 2 into BH. Okay. 2 into BH. Achha. Now what is the area of this surface? This face and the behind one. This one. This one. This one. This surface. This surface. This surface. This surface. What is the area of this surface? Length into height. Length, height. It is H. It is length. So this is length, it is height. The area of this surface, it is what? L into H. And here two surfaces are given, back side also. Yes, clear now? So we can write plus 2LH. Then, so we can write it is 2 common. It is length into breadth. So LB. So length into breadth plus 2 the common breadth into height plus length into height. So this is what it is, the total surface area. Total means this is a cube and all the faces. Total 6 faces are given. So it is total surface area. This is total surface area. Achha, this is the total surface area. So what is the formula to find the total surface area? 2 into length into breadth. 2 LV. LV means length into breadth. Then breadth into height. Breadth into height. So 2 surfaces. And length into height. Length into height, again 2 surfaces. So this is the total surface area. Okay. So sometimes, for example, it is given. They consider this is the cuboid, and it is placed like this. And what we have to do, we have to find the total surface area. So that time just neglect this surface area. That time neglect this surface area because it is to place on the earth surface. Okay, so depending on the concept. Otherwise, total surface area of a cube or cuboid is what? This much. At the same time, we can complete the cube part. So in case of cube, all the surface areas are same. All the surface areas are same. So what is the surface area? A square, A square, A square. So A square plus A square plus A square. So we are getting 3A square. We are getting 3A square. A square plus A square plus A square, 3 square into 2. So we are getting, it is what? Total 6A square. So in case of a cuboid, we are getting this one, but in case of cube, it is 6A square. Acha. Now this is the total surface area done. Next one. So total surface area, we are getting total surface area. It is what? 2 into we are getting, it is L into B plus B into H plus L into H. Okay? Or plus sign is, you can write here plus this. So it is total surface area. So for example, it is given, you are just you are sitting inside the room and see around you. So they are asking, what is the area of 4 walls? 4 walls means what? Just neglect the floor and the roof. Okay. The 4 wall means this one in front of me, behind, my left side, my right side. Okay. So in front, right, back, right, left. So total 4. So we have to neglect these 2 surfaces. This one, this surface, this one, and that one. These 2 surfaces, roof and floor. We have to, okay. So floor and roof we have to neglect. So total 4 surfaces. Now tell me, what is the area of 4 surface or 4 walls? The area of 4 walls. Next our target is what? To find area of 4 walls. So let me erase it. Achha. So here area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls. So 4 walls for this one, this surface. This is 1 wall, behind it. So L into H, and 2 surfaces are given. So we can write 2LH or 2 into LH plus, so 1, 2 and this side. So it is what? It is breadth and it is height. So length into height and then breadth into height. Length into height and breadth into, and 2 breadth into height. This one. Now take 2 common. So here we can write it is what? We can write it is here 2H common. We can write, see, 2 LH though and 2 BH. So we can take 2 H and it is what? L plus B, or we can write 2 into L plus B into H. So this is area of 4 walls. Is it clear? It is very much easy. So first you have to check. You have to draw the diagram and then 4 walls are given to depending on the concept. Okay? It's totally depending on the concept. Just remember. In case of area of a cube, okay, which area? Area of 4 walls. Okay, area of 4 walls. Then that time L and B and H are same, bhai. So L means A, B means also A, and height is also A. So here it is 2A. Then here A, here 2. So it is what? 4A square. Simple. Total 6 surface, each one, so height, length and breadth are same AA. So area of one surface it is what? A square. So 4 walls, 4A square. And here is also we are getting 2 into 2A. Okay, here A plus A means what? Length and breadth to same AA. A plus A is 2A. 2 into 2A means 4A into A, 4A square. So normally you are also getting 4A square, and here it is also given 4A square. Okay. So another one point we can write, it is area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls, it is what? We are getting 2 into length plus breadth into height. As a volume, so unit cube, area, unit square. Okay. And here is also unit square. Done. The unit square and unit square only. Okay. Unit square. As a next one, this is the for cube also we can write. As another one point left. Another one point is what? Now just tell me, just visualize. Can you tell me what is the length of the stick, or we can say, can you tell me what is the maximum length of a stick which can be kept inside a room, that is cuboidal room? So it is what? The maximum length is nothing but the diagonal. The diagonal. One corner to one corner. Just imagine you are sitting to this side corner, then top to the bottom. This corner to that corner. Or this corner to this. Or these to these. Okay. So all the distances are same. So we can from here to here, from this corner to this corner, from here to here. Here to means one corner. So in a row, I'm drawing here. So it is a 3D. So see, if I consider it is a 3D, so don't think like this. Then it will be surface. So think from here, this corner to that corner, diagonal. This corner to that corner. Are you getting my point? So if I take this one, this corner to that one, so it is from here to here, this corner to this. This is the diagonal. Is it clear? This is the diagonal. From here to here, it is diagonal. So you are sitting in a room. Just see one corner to from this top corner to this bottom. So it is the diagonal. The maximum length of the stick can be kept inside that room. It is nothing but the diagonal of the room. And in 3D, how to find the length of the diagonal, and so next what we have to write, length of the diagonal. So I'm writing here length length of the diagonal, length of the diagonal. So it is what? It is under root L square plus B square plus H square, and length though 1 unit. So prove it. Length, it is diagonal equal L square plus B square plus H square. Achha, okay, no problem. So see, first you tell me what is the diagonal, what is the diagonal of a surface, this surface. Okay, don't make it complicated, just simple, just tell me. What is the diagonal of these? Tell me, what is the length? So it is nothing but this length is under root L square plus B square, because it is 90. Right angle, okay, rectangular surface. So this is rectangular surface. So it is L square plus B square. Acha. Now we have, this is 1, this is 1. I'm considering one triangle, and here it is a 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. This angle is 90. Are you getting my point? This is 90 degree. This angle is 90. This is the triangle, and this angle is 90 degree. So this side we are getting. This side we are getting, it is what? This is root L square plus B square, because it is a right angle triangle. It is 90 degree, and this, then that time it is the hypo. Okay, and now here this hypo is acting as base, and this height is another one side. Height is acting as height here. So here hypotenuse, it is the base and it is the height. Okay, and now this diagonal is acting what? Hypo. So we can write it is, so this base is what? It is root L square plus B square, and height is H. Okay, so what we have to write? Then what is the hypo? So we know it is, so say this diagonal will be x. I am writing this is x. So this x can be written as, so we can write x square is equal, so let me put here A. Okay, this is B point, it is C point. So we can write x square, instead of writing x square I can write A C square is equal AB square plus BC square. So what is the value of AB? A to B, it is root L square plus B square, then whole square, plus BC means H square. So it is AC square. So what is the value of AC? It is under root this one. So if I remove the square of the under root, then square, so means it is nothing but this one. If I operate, so it is A square plus B square and H square as it is. We are getting AC this much. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. So that's why the diagonal is this. In case of 2D rectangle, it is length square plus breadth square. We are getting it is L square plus B square plus A square. So I am writing here. What is? So I am writing diagonal of a cuboid is equal under root L square plus B square plus A square. It is length, so it is unit. Okay, L square plus B square plus A square unit. Unit means maybe it is given in centimeter, millimeter, meter, etc. etc. Unit of length. So just write it. So this is information about cuboid. Then if we know about cuboid, then we can write everything for cube also. Everything for cube also. So I'm not erasing this part. Let me erase this part. Okay. So that I can write all the formulas for cube also. So that I can write all the formulas for cube also. So first I am drawing the diagram of cube. First I am drawing the diagram of cube. So this is the cube. This is the cube. And here all the sides are same. So bhaiya, all the sides are same only cube. So if it is a, this is a, it is a. Sir, it is not looking. It's so different, sir, in this diagram. Why I am drawing the diagram. But see, if you have a dice, you are playing Ludo. So see that dice. It is what? All the sides are same. Surfaces are same. So a. So here length, breadth and height are same. Now if I write the unit of formula for volume, it is what? This volume is length into breadth into height. But sir, here length, breadth and height are same. So we can write A into A into A unit cube. So we can write it is A cube. So A cube means volume. That's why it can be written as side cube. Okay. So it is what? Or we can write it is side cube. So that's why volume formula for cube, it is side cube. Cubic unit. Next, total surface area. So it is total surface area is equal. See, total surface area. So what is total surface area? Total six surfaces are total six faces are there. So for one face, if I consider these, all the sides are same. So it is what? It is a square. If I consider this, it is also a square. If I consider that, then it is also a square. So we are getting, so a square, that side a square. So 2a square plus 2a square plus 2a square. So total 6. So here we can write it is 6a square. Area. So it is, tell me what is a unit? It is square unit square. If we put here a, so a square plus a square plus a square, 3a square, 2, 6a square. Same. Next one, area of 4 walls. So simple, area of 4 walls is equal, it is what? 4a square. Each wall, it is a square. So 4a square unit square. Done. Next diagram. So what is the value of diagonal? So for cube, we can write it is diagonal for cube. For cube, we can write it is what? A square plus a square plus a square. So under root a square plus a square plus a square. A square plus a square plus a square. So we can write under root 3a square, or you can write root 3 into a. Because a square root of a square is a root 3 as it is. So this much you need. So what is the diagonal of a cube? So diagonal of a cube is diagonal of the cube. It is root 3 into side. Because a here to side. One corner to this corner. It is the diagonal. Okay, from this to that. So it is, we are getting root 3 into side. And volume, a cube, total surface area. And so one by one we can calculate it. So this is the, you can say, overall concept. This is the overall concept depending based on cuboid and cube. Just simple, very, 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 very easy. Okay, very much easy. So don't use the memorization method. Area of a volume a cube, volume a cube, volume a cube, volume. No, just concept. So remember this one. It is volume, length into breadth into height. So L into B into H. In case of cube, sir, all the sides were same. So A into A into A cube. Total surface area. So here, uh, three pairs of similar surfaces are given. Three pairs of similar faces are given, not surface. Three pairs of similar faces are given. This side, that side, this side, up, down. So total six surfaces. Okay, or six faces. The total surface area is, it is the sum of the surface area of each face. Okay, so now we can write total. We are getting this for a cube. Here L, B, length, breadth and height are same. So L into a square, a square, a square. So here 3a square into 2, 6a square. In another way, surface area of one face, it is the area of one face, it is what? A into a square. So then, and total 6, so 6a square. 4 walls, 4a square. 5 walls, 5a square. Like this. Okay, as a next one, diagonal. So max, you can say the maximum length can be kept inside, or the maximum length of the stick, or you can say some object can be kept inside that room, that is along the diagonal only. So how to find the diagonal? It is as I told you, this is a rectangle. What is the diagonal of a rectangle? So this diagonal is acting as the base here. So it is what? Root L square plus B square. Height is 8, and then we have to find this one corner. Okay, so we are getting, it is root of a square plus b square plus a square. Just remember how to find the diagonal of a cuboid. It is under root a square plus b square a plus a square. How to find what is the value of the diagonal? It is under root a square plus b square plus a square. It is under root a square plus b square plus a square. It is under root a square plus b square plus a square. And say, it is the unit. So it is only unit, maybe meter, maybe centimeter. Okay, and then cube is given, all the sides are same, so a square plus a square plus a square. So L, B and H, so we are getting 3a square, and root of a square, so it is a, so a kept outside and taken outside, and root 3 as it is, so it is root 3 into a. Just write it. Okay, clear? So just write this one and try to write this, and if you have any problem, then let me know, I'll help you. Okay, thank you.